Students, today, uh, yesterday I had finished chapter 1 of history, and you have to do all the questions given in the last of the chapter. Don't miss it because these questions are very much valuable for you. Today I am taking economics. The first chapter is the story of village Palampur. Just as various stories are created to give some message to the people, to have some aim behind creating, behind any creation, any work. किसी भी रचना के पीछे एक उद्देश्य होता है. In the same way, there is an aim after creating the story of the village Palampur. The aim is to make the students aware of the organization of production, कि प्रोडक्शन यूनिट को कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज किया जाता है, क्या क्या चीज़ें उसमें लगती. इट मीन्स टू से एज टू हाउ फिनिश्ड आइटम्स कम आउट एज आउटपुट, किस तरह से वो इनपुट से किस तरह से हम आउटपुट फिनिश्ड गुड्स हासिल करते हैं आफ्टर इन्वेस्टिंग वेरियस थिंग्स सच एज मनी, machinery, raw material, human efforts, etc. Okay, then come to introduction about the village Palampur. An imaginary village has been described as a well developed village in India. Though it is an imaginary, most of the people in this village are engaged in agricultural activity. The village is well connected with other villages and towns. A road leads to a nearby big village and a town too. Tonga buggies means buffalo run cart and bullock carts are seen on the roads going towards the town. Except it, motorcycles, jeep, tractors, trucks, etc. are also seen, and these all vehicles, rural as well as modern transportation services, are loaded. Machineries are loaded with various types of things produced in farming. These farmers are going to the marketplace to sell their produce. Here, most of the families own uh, large pieces of land. You can see clearly here that some families, most of the families are belong to upper caste, and they own large patches of land. They also maintain pakka houses. In the last chapter of the first row, you see their houses are made up of brick and stone and plastered with cement. Okay, and in the corner of the village, you can see one third of the total population, the Dalits are. Uh, their houses are, they have small patches of land. Their houses are made up of mud and straw, घास फूस के बने हुए उनके घर हैं. Most of the people have taken electricity connection in the village. See here, these are given to you. You can see clearly the first para in the second row. That is electricity connection most of the people own. Yeah, oh, okay. Most of the people own electric connection. You can see from here. Yes, electric connections they own. Large farmers have installed electricity run tube wells. You can learn it clearly from the chapter. And they also run a small business with the help of the electricity run machinery. And these all business are related to agriculture. It is very much important to know. There are primary so much developed it is. There are primary, higher secondary schools, PHC, local government hospitals, and dispensary, private ones, medical clinic, or also in the village. In this way, Palampur is well developed village, denoting the prosperity and happiness of the rural farmers living in villages. In this village, mainly, thus we find that in Palampur there are farming and non-farming activities in the village. You saw transportation service was also available, is also available, and farming they do, they run shops, they transport services, or these are non-farming activities. Non-farming activities are domestic manufacturing units, transport, running of shops, etc. That's all for today. Thank you.